A theme is a collection of files that determines the overall design, layout, and visual appearance of your website. A good customizable theme plays a vital role in creating a WordPress website. In this video lesson of my tutorial series on how to make a website, I'll show you how to install and use a theme in WordPress. To get started, log in to your WordPress dashboard, go to Appearance, and then click Themes. By the way, I'm using WordPress on Hostinger, the best hosting service if you are using WordPress to create a website. Click the Add New Theme button at the top and search for Astra in the search bar on the right. Astra is a great choice because it is incredibly fast, lightweight, and easy to customize, making it perfect for beginners who want a professional website without any technical headaches. Once the theme appears, click Install and then click Activate. To make it live on your site, to speed up your design, click Start Building. Activating will take some time. Click Let's Get Started, then enter your name and email and click Continue. Select the option to build with templates to see the classic theme designs. Before choosing a template design, hit back to select which builder we will use. WordPress builders are drag and drop tools that allow you to design and customize your website layout without writing any code. We will choose Elementor because it's better. It offers a live visual editing experience, meaning you see exactly what your site looks like as you edit. Browse through the available template options. You can find many categories. Go with the type you want. For example, I want a blog template. Be careful, the ones labeled premium are paid. You can buy it if you want, but as a beginner, I suggest going with a free one such as Creative Blog. You can customize the site here by uploading your logo and choosing your preferred fonts and color palette. For example, I'm choosing a color palette. But as I said, we will customize our site more efficiently using Elementor Builder in the next lesson. For now, after selecting just the palette, click Continue. Here, you can see features and related plugins that will be installed on our website. A plugin is like an app for your website that you can install to add new features or functions without needing to write any code. Click Continue, enter your name and email, then click Submit and Build My Website to start the import process. Once the import is finished, click View Your Website to see your new professional look in action. That's it for now. In the next lesson, you will learn how to use Elementor to customize a website. If you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to my channel. Take care, and bye!